Welcome aboard for an exclusive look inside a real European train driver's cab, where we'll explore authentic operations for models like Germany's IC, France's TGV, and the UK's Class 800. Today, we're experiencing the high speed world of rail directly from the driver's perspective, delving deep into the intricate operations, advanced signaling systems such as ETCS, and cutting edge technology that power these magnificent machines across diverse terrains throughout the continent. Every detail, from the precision engineered controls to the real time monitoring displays, highlights the blend of human skill and engineering excellence. Prepare yourself for an immersive journey into the heart of modern European rail travel, witnessing the dedication that ensures safe, efficient high speed journeys for millions of passengers each year. The cab serves as the nerve center of the entire train operation, featuring highly ergonomic seating designed for long haul comfort, with adjustable lumbar support and shock absorbing bases. Multiple high resolution LCD monitors displaying critical data like real time speed, GPS positioning, and system diagnostics, and a comprehensive dashboard packed with vital instruments including pressure gauges, temperature readouts, and fault indicators. Every element here is meticulously designed for optimal control, driver comfort during extended shifts, and peak performance, ensuring unwavering safety on routes spanning thousands of kilometers. From the advanced multifunction display systems showing route maps and upcoming signal aspects to the intuitive control panels with tactile switches and illuminated buttons, this space stands as a testament to engineering precision and the relentless pursuit of reliability in European railway design. Among the key controls are the master controller, a sophisticated lever managing power notches for acceleration and dynamic braking for deceleration, the deadman's pedal, a critical safety feature on the floor that requires constant foot pressure to confirm the driver's alertness, automatically initiating emergency braking if released, and various vigilance devices such as push-button acknowledgers linked to cab signaling systems. These systems are absolutely crucial for maintaining constant situational awareness and enabling immediate response to any anomalies, ensuring the train always operates within strict safety parameters mandated by European regulations. The tactile feedback from these controls, with their ergonomic grips, micro switches, and haptic responses, allows for precise adjustments down to fractions of a second, which is vital for navigating the continent's complex railway networks filled with varying gradients, curves, and high density traffic corridors. Pre departure checks are always rigorous and systematic, including verifying AWS, automatic warning system, alerts that provide audible and visual warnings for signals, TPWS, train protection and warning system, status for overspeed protection, and digital route indicators confirming the path ahead on multi track sections. Once all systems show green across the board, the driver engages the master controller to power up the traction motors, initiating the subtle yet powerful hum of the electric propulsion system as we begin rolling smoothly out of the bustling station. This meticulous preparation process, often taking several minutes, ensures every journey starts safely and efficiently, minimizing risks and setting the stage for a controlled departure amid platform activity and signaling confirmations. Now cruising at over 200 kilometers per hour through the picturesque European countryside. Think rolling hills of southern France or the lush fields of the German Rhine Valley. The scenery outside blurs into a mesmerizing streak of vibrant greens, earthy browns, and occasional villages flashing by. The driver remains ever vigilant, constantly monitoring pantograph status, scanning for distant signals that might demand speed adjustments, and adhering meticulously to temporary speed restrictions posted for maintenance or engineering works, all while balancing the thrill of high speed travel with unwavering safety protocols enforced by onboard computers. This phase of the journey exemplifies the dynamic dance between blistering velocity and the precision required to handle massive kinetic energy safely across international borders. Navigating a variety of signals, from color light aspects in the UK to position light setups in tunnels, making precise platform stops with braking distances calculated to the meter for passenger comfort, and approaching complex junctions where multiple lines converge requires immense skill, split-second concentration, and deep knowledge of local rulebooks. Each maneuver, whether easing into a curve at reduced speed piercing through dimly lit tunnels with headlights cutting the darkness, or threading urban areas with tight clearances, is executed with surgical precision to ensure both operational efficiency and the highest standards of safety. The driver's expertise shines here, managing these intricate railway challenges, from signal checks to point selections, while maintaining a seamless flow of travel that keeps schedules on track amid Europe's busiest networks. As we gradually slow to a complete stop at the final station, with Sanders applying if needed for adhesion and doors signaling ready, this journey concludes, leaving us with a profound appreciation for the engineering marvels, like distributed power systems and fail-safe interlocks, and the unparalleled human expertise that define European railroading. This firsthand experience truly highlights the dedication, training, and technological symbiosis required to operate these powerful machines day in and day out. Thank you for joining us on this unique adventure inside the train driver's cab. Safe travels on your next rail journey.